In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox whilst listening to Spotify. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up the Spotify app on your device. Next, what you need to do is just go ahead and start playing Spotify on your device. So you can see we're currently playing this now, and then you can just come back to your main screen. So once that's opened and ready to go, what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and launch Roblox on your device. So you just want to go ahead and open up the app. And then all you need to do is go ahead and load up the Roblox experience that you want to play. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Hoops. So you can see it's just going to take a minute or two to go ahead and load this through. And here we are, as you can see, in-game in Hoops. So now to go ahead and listen to Spotify still whilst playing Roblox, all you want to do is come up to the menu in the top left-hand corner, so the Roblox icon up here. Go ahead and click onto this. Then all you need to do is press onto settings at the top and make sure that the game volume is turned all the way down to 0. As you can see, the volume down here, so you just want to minimize this until it goes down to 0 so it's completely off. And as you can see, we are now playing Roblox on here, but if I scroll down onto my main taskbar and press play, you'll see that we're now going to start playing Roblox, and basically we can go back in and start playing Roblox whilst listening to Spotify. So as you can see, we're playing it and Spotify is playing in the background. So that's how to go ahead and play Roblox whilst listening to Spotify. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.